Okay, quick update on what's happening with my Instagram account. I found a Facebook chat support team that I could reach out to, and I found another page where I can report my problems to. I reached out to this guy, Neil, or someone, about the issue I had. I explained it to him about how I'm a photographer and my account has been blah blah blah. Told him about how the YouTube URL was giving me problems. And he said, "This is frustrating, happy to help me." So I had some hope. He pulled out my account. To clarify, you've been banned from Instagram. You can't make the changes needed to be unbanned. I said, yeah, correct. That's exactly what it is. Oh, that stinks. Because he totally understands. Let me ask you a few questions. When did this occur? I told him it was a Monday night. And he asked me if it's pretty sure due to my YouTube URL. I said, yeah, because that's what it's saying. So I explained it. Escalated this up to his team. It could take up to 72 hours to get the response, but most likely it'll be sooner. So don't lose heart. In the meantime, he gave me a link to this to report a problem to Instagram. And that was pretty much it. And I said thank you for everything, and I was really stoked. He was super nice, and it was a really easy process. Tad bit personal, but this is kind of funny. I just went grocery shopping. If you guys want to change your life, Huggies wet wipes. A little gross, but I wanted to film a video about some of the stuff I get at the grocery store. This is something I survive on. Whipped Yoplait yogurts. These are amazing. Like 100 calories each. The macros are not bad at all. This stuff is like midday snack to hold you over. All these fresh fruits, bananas, this granola stuff. I have all my protein powder. Just a quick light shopping spree. I was just out all day long. Wasn't at work today because my grandpa's in the hospital. So I took the day off to go talk to my mom, do some business, run some errands. And I have to be at work tomorrow like 7 a.m. I have to go do, they were doing like a TV show, so I have to take a Rolls Royce somewhere. Gonna work a half day tomorrow. Then I work all weekend. I have a delivery on Saturday, have a car show on Sunday. I have sushi. Fast forward to it's raining. Probably should have brought like a heavier jacket, not just a vest. I'm debating on going back to get a jacket. I have 6 minutes to get to work. Oh boy. Should I get a jacket? I'm gonna look at my trunk. These are so good. I bought them yesterday at the grocery store. So amazing. Whoops. All right, later. See ya. Hi. Nice sticker. Hi.
Oh my god.
Nice umbrella. I was like yelling. You couldn't hear me?
No.
Oh. It's raining. That's the car we need. Yo. How'd you get in? Hold on. Yeah, this is way too early to be here. Yeah.
I think it's gonna rain out the golf course this weekend.
I think so too. It says like 100% chance. Yeah. That's just great. Where'd the mirror go? Hey. I'm not sure how it's gonna work as far as the news station that we're gonna be on because it's raining. It's supposed to rain all weekend. I'm not sure how we're gonna film this. Look at the showroom all dark. Oh, girl! Oh, dude, happy birthday, by the way.
Thanks, dude.
How do you feel? Alright, appearance. Change desktop background. Just 400,000.
Starting at 400,000?
Look at the window sticker.
Or is it starting at 350 or something?
Dude, it won't let me do
It'll tell
it.
you when the window sticker.
422.
Yeah.
And it starts at
335.
Okay, so it starts a lot lower than I thought. Well, she needs to learn that for the station. Hurry up.
Entry system.
Is this how it indicates that's this car? Are you ready?
They're not gonna have umbrellas.
I don't think you cannot not get an umbrella.
They can say 335, but there's no car that exists that's
No,
335.
it would be stripped out with like no interior.
Can you drive? Because I have to fix my makeup.
I wanted you to drive. Get in.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Are we filming?
Yeah. You're always on camera when you're around me, so just be prepared. You having some struggles? Give me your umbrella.
This is why there's an umbrella in the car.
Oh.
It's a very orange car.
Just a little selfie for you to do your little makeup.
Are we filming?
Always filming.
Well, not always.
Well, majority of the time we are.
We're gonna film this experience.
Hold on, I'm trying to find my windshield wipers.
Amazing.
Where are they? I thought I had to know about this car. That scared me. Tracy? You found the windshield wipers?
I know how to work the windshield wipers.
Where were? Oh, I didn't see them right there.
That means I can sell a car. So I'm just gonna say starting at 300,000, right?
Mm-hmm.
You can go all the way up to 450.
You can go up to about around a 450 just due to options as far as like interior color, your interior accents.
A V8 Twin Turbo engine.
V12.
500. Oops.
V12. It's a V12. See? Look at this stuff.
I
right
know.
there.
I was looking right at it.
You were looking at it, you said V8. It's a V12.
I'm tired.
I know, me too. But you're gonna be on
I gotta
camera.
wake up. Wake up.
You're gonna be fine. I have faith.
V8.
Is he bumping his
I
music?
just said V8 again.
Stop saying V8.
V12. V12.
There, V12.
V12 engine. V12 Twin Turbo.
There you go.
engine.
There you go.
563
Is that what it is?
horsepower. Yeah. Did you know that 65% of all Rolls Royces ever sold are still on the road today?
Yeah. You told me that last night in a text.
Isn't that a fun fact?
Well, you learn something new every day. Look at that dog hanging out of that car. I want to be like that dog.
Actually,
That's a nice Porsche. Is the car on? Yeah. I'm gonna put my headlights on, Ashley.
it's a woman's world. We just make men think it's a man's world.
See, that's the truth. Whoa. That kind of frightened me a little bit.
Honk honk.
Is that like propane? Put propane in your hair? Oh my god.
Oh, you're so dramatic.
Are we going? Oh.
Where are you guys going?
We're going to be on the news.
The what?
The news.
Really?
Yeah.
To go like to
We're promoting
Talk about
the
O'Hara?
weekend, like the concourse.
Sorry.
promoting the Dawn?
On a scale of 1 to 10, how confident are you on camera? Like 7.5 to 8?
No, probably like a 9.
Really? There you go. I think they're a little nervous. Are you nervous? Are you guys really nervous or no?
No.
You don't get scared on camera? I've seen you on camera before.
Right now.
Well, I'm testing you. What about you, birthday boy?
I was just scared out of my mind.
Let's play chess. How come? Oh wait, that's the.
$10,000 chest.
I know. There's a fireplace.
Circular jet.
That is actually really nice. Whoa. I feel like I'm in like an old haunted house. Like a really haunted house. It's a parlor room. Where are the restrooms? Oh. A little obvious when it says that. This bathroom is like really nice. Since we were there for 3 hours, well, we were there, what, 2 hours?
I mean,
We spent 2 hours there for 5 seconds of camera talk without even actually being on the TV. At least we're still on TV though. I don't know. I
you know
mean,
what? You and I were on TV more than Ashley
we
was.
actually were. We were actually, and we weren't even talking.
Yeah.
Am I okay?
Yeah.
McLaren and I spent more time on TV than Ashley and Tracy did, and they're the ones who did their makeup. They got ready early. They both woke up super early to get their makeup done, and they weren't even on TV for like, Ashley was on TV. She wasn't even on camera.
No, I don't think she was on camera at all.
I mean, this is better than nothing, but I feel bad for them having to get ready, and they're not even on camera. Well, at least they're gonna be on this camera.
Yeah, they'll be on this camera.
I don't get how they're open. Why are we open? I like that plate on the car. I didn't even see that. After use, sir. Did you get text messages on what they want?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Tracy wants a toasted sesame
What? Hi, how are you?
with cheese, with cream cheese, or just, it's got to be cream cheese.
How are you today? Alright. Yeah, can I do 2 chocolate chip bagels with butter?
Toasted?
Yeah, please. Can I do 1 lox bagel? What would you recommend? Yeah, let's do plain.
Cream cheese, tomato, onion, cucumber?
Yeah, that's fine. And then also a toasted sesame seed bagel with cheese.
Cream cheese or cheese?
Yep.
No, your skirt's a little bit away.
Yes. Throwback. Thank you. Look at that. That's just diabetes in a bottle. Thank you. I don't know who's washing their car at the detail shop right now. They're gonna drive out and it's gonna get soaked. I love this interior. It's so dope. Look at that. Feels so weird carrying a glitter bag. Ash, you like my new bag?
That's very Michael Jackson.
There you go. So I didn't know what to get you exactly. I just got, well, I didn't know what I needed to get. I got lox, but it came with cucumber.
You don't like that?
Hold on, come on out this.
Wait,
That background.
a bite of that? I mean, I wanted one of those, but...
It comes with cucumber. So that's chocolate chip. That's chocolate chip. This is Tracy's weird. Wait, hold on, Tony. Wait. Stop. Here, take this. What's up? You good? Where is everybody? Oh wait, it's still really early. Okay, back at the showroom now. Bagels. I've recently tried the lox bagel for the first time in my whole life. It's so good. It's amazing. Wow. So I have to do a post for Dyson. I'm gonna take a picture today with this thing vacuuming like an Aventador or something. They're asking me to do a promotional post that shows the versatility of this thing, which... All right, let's take a picture.